Welcome to the video, guys. My name is Mike. This is my first video here on YouTube, and today we're doing a sneaker review. Let's go! Right then, let's get into it. So here's the box, guys. Super nice quality. We've got the Adidas free stripes on the top, and we've got Bad Bunny logos just all over the place. We've got the size label on this side too, Bad Bunny forum at the top, UK size 11, my true to size, and we've also got the colourway on there as well. It's got a few variations of white. So getting into it then, guys, we're going to unbox this sneaker, and the first thing you'll notice when you open it up is the shoes themselves in a lovely dust bag. It's got an Adidas trefoil logo on there, as well as the Bad Bunny emblem as well. And then we've got a couple of spare bits. We've got some spare laces, yellow and grey. Honestly, I don't think I'll use either. I love the laces that come with it. And we've also got some spare tongues there as well, and they just pop on if you get your other ones dirty. You guys have already seen the sneakers in my B-roll footage, but let's get them out anyway and take a look at them. Here they are, the last forum by Adidas and Bad Bunny. And you know what? I think this is the best one they've done yet. The best colourway out of all of them. I tried for ones in the past, and I'm super glad I haven't got them now, because I think this is the best. First thing you'll notice when you get them in hand is they're actually got a bit of weight to them. They're not too heavy, but they feel nice and premium. Super thick materials all over the place. Starting at the top, we've got this double tongue. The top one's just pressed stud onto the bottom ones, and we've got the spare ones just below as well. It's got a Bad Bunny logo on the top, and we've got that typical Adidas forum Velcro strap as well, though it doesn't really do much on this sneaker. It's just a bit of a nicety, really. Moving down the upper of the sneaker, we've got these lovely flat laces going over the tongue, and then we get down to a toe box. It's surrounded by this lovely suede, really nice materials, and then the leather on the toe box. Oh my gosh, really nice. It's tumbled leather. You can see the tiny little creases when you press it in. This is going to age really nicely, just like a fine wine. Moving on to the lateral side of the sneaker then, we've got a common theme here, really nice materials, more suedes, more leathers, more nubuck, really nice. I think it's a fantastic touch. I've got the leather bits in between the free stripes, they just look great. And we've also got a nice looking strap there for the Velcro. We've got this lovely thick bit here at the back of the ankle area, just makes it feel really solid on foot. And that midsole, guys, wow, a nice iced white colour which goes down perfectly into the blue outsole. And we've got a cheeky little Adidas logo at the back there too. Moving it on to the back of the shoe then, we've got like a built-in shoe horn made out of lovely tumbled leather again, which is really cool and really thick. And then we've got this adjustable pull tab at the bottom. It doesn't really do anything, but you know what, it looks pretty cool on foot. I just won't be using it to adjust anything. Same again on the midfoot as before, really premium materials, love the nubuck, love the suede, and them leather hints in between the free stripes are just great. Imagine having tumbled leather in tiny little sections like that. I think it looks awesome. Same again, moving on to the outsole. Really grippy, really nice looking materials. We've got Adidas trefoil logos built into the grip, and we've also got a Bad Bunny logo on the little circle bit as well towards the front. I know everyone's decided on their sneaker of the year. It's the Chicago 1s or the Ammerman Year 4s, but this has to be the best from Adidas this year. The quality is insane. Guys, that is it. Thank you for watching my first video here on YouTube. If you have any feedback, leave it in the comments down below. You know, I want to keep learning, I want to produce better content, and I want to make a thing of this, so you know, any feedback is really appreciated. Adding on to that, if you can like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, share it with your friends, that'd be sick. Let me know what you think to this sneaker as well. I think it's awesome. I think Adidas knocked it out of the park with this one. Really nice materials, really good looking sneaker, really wearable, and I'm going to be wearing this all Christmas long. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.